Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
3 to 4 years. If you drive a typical number of miles, somewhere around 12,000 to 15,000 miles annually, a tire's tread will wear out in 3 to 4 years, long before the rubber compound does. But if you drive much less than that, or have a car that you only drive on weekends, aging tires could be an issue.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
New tires typically come with 10 30-seconds, or 11 30-seconds, tread depths, and some truck, SUV and winter tires may have deeper tread depths than other models. The U.S. Department of Transportation recommends replacing tires when they reach 2 30-seconds, and many states legally require tires to be replaced at this depth.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The OEM tires that came with your car can't be replaced, which is a good thing, after they've worn out. And they will wear out much sooner than they should. This is because virtually all auto manufacturers specify very soft rubber, which means they wear out too fast.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Even though the tires were never used on a vehicle, they are still several years old. Every tire has a birth date, the day it was manufactured, and an expiration date that is 6 years from that manufacture date. Most automobile manufacturers warn drivers to replace vehicle tires after 6 years.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Place a penny head first into several tread grooves across the tire. If you always see the top of Lincoln's head, your treads are shallow and worn. If this is the case, your tires need to be replaced. If part of Lincoln's head is always covered by the tread, you have more than 2 30-seconds of an inch of tread depth remaining.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
All-season tires generally don't excel in any performance category, except tread life. With proper vehicle and tire maintenance, combined with rational driving, you can expect to go 50,000 to 70,000 miles, or more, on a typical set of all-season tires.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.